How to fix automatic repair couldn't repair your PC, Windows 10. Encountering this automatic repair couldn't repair your PC issue and then realizing it's not resolving the problem can be incredibly frustrating. We understand the feeling of losing patience when faced with such an error. That's precisely why we're here, to address this concern and provide straightforward troubleshooting steps to help you overcome this computer-related challenge. We've been in your shoes and know how discouraging it can be. Let's learn together and find the solutions that will equip you to resolve this issue should it arise again. We aim to help you with the knowledge and means necessary to confront this problem head-on so you can quickly regain control and restore your computer's functionality. Why is this happening? Windows Auto Repair is a built-in utility designed to automatically fix issues that may prevent Windows from booting correctly. It scans for and resolves problems with system files, drivers, and other critical components. When triggered, Auto Repair attempts to diagnose and rectify issues without user intervention, aiming to restore the operating system's functionality. Your computer displaying the message "Automatic Repair/Startup Repair couldn't repair your PC" during boot up can result in several issues. Here are some common causes. Hardware issues. Outdated or incompatible drivers. Missing or corrupted boot record. Virus or malware attacks. Disk errors on the hard drive. Corrupt Windows Boot Manager file. Windows Update issue. You've learned the common causes of this issue. Below is a straightforward fix. Fix automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. 1. Perform system restore. Performing a system restore can revert your computer to a previous state where it was functioning correctly. Automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. System restore. Here's how. Boot your computer into the Advanced Startup Options menu by repeatedly pressing F8, Shift plus F8, or F11 during startup. Select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, System Restore. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose a restore point and start the restoration process. Troubleshoot in safe mode. Booting into safe mode allows you to troubleshoot and fix issues that typically prevent Windows from starting. Automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. Access the Advanced Startup Options menu as described above. Select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and click Restart. Once your computer restarts, press F4 to boot into safe mode. You can update drivers, uninstall problematic software, and run antivirus scans from here. 3. Repair boot records. Corrupted boot records can prevent Windows from starting correctly. Repairing them might resolve the issue. Boot into the Advanced Startup Options menu. Select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. bootrec/fixmber. bootrec/fixboot. bootrec/scanos. bootrec/rebuild. Use Fortect for automatic repair and protection. For a more streamlined and automated approach to fixing and protecting your PC, consider using Fortect. Fortect is a powerful tool designed to diagnose and repair various system issues, including those that cause the automatic repair couldn't repair your PC error. Fortect New Security. Fortect's vigorous repair capabilities tackle many issues head-on, saving you valuable time and effort. Whether malware infections, problematic software updates, corrupted system files, misconfigured boot configurations, or even hardware-related problems, Fortect's advanced algorithms are designed to diagnose and resolve these challenges thoroughly with real-time advanced protection. Ensure you get the premium plan to take advantage of all its advanced repair solutions. It's an outstanding malware defense system that vigilantly monitors and safeguards your downloads, installations, and executables, shielding your system from malware and viruses whenever you introduce new files or applications. This multi-layered approach ensures a thorough scan and protection, fortifying your PC against potential threats. You can click on Malware Defense to start scanning or click on Start Full Scan, which scans all possible issues, including malware and PUA, as shown below. Full Scan from Dashboard. Download and install Fortect now to repair and protect your PC. Run DISM and System File Checker. Corrupted system files can be repaired using the Deployment Imaging Service and Management Tool, DISM, and System File Checker, SFC. Access the Startup Repair option by navigating to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options. Initiate the process by clicking the Restart button. Upon restarting, select Enable Safe Mode with Networking from the list of choices. Once in safe mode, obtain an updated version of the problematic driver from the manufacturer's website and save it to a USB flash drive for installation. Boot into the Advanced Startup Options menu. Select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Command Prompt. Automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. In the command prompt window, type the following commands one by one, pressing Enter after each. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restorehealth. Reset your PC. If all else fails, resetting your PC can resolve the issue by reinstalling Windows while keeping your files. Automatic repair couldn't repair your PC. Boot into the Advanced Startup Options menu. Select Troubleshoot, Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files or Remove Everything based on your preference. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. Alright, that wraps up this step-by-step guide on how to fix the automatic repair loop in Windows 10, especially when you're stuck with the dreaded message, Startup Repair couldn't repair your PC. I know how frustrating it can be when your computer won't boot properly, and hopefully, one of these methods, whether it's using command prompt, disabling early launch anti-malware protection, restoring from a system image, or repairing the boot configuration, got you back up and running. If it did help, let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. That kind of feedback helps me improve future videos and also helps others who are stuck with the same issue. Make sure to give the video a like if you found it useful. It's a small click for you, but it really means a lot and helps the channel reach more people who need this kind of tech help. And if you have questions, are still stuck, or ran into a different error, don't hesitate to drop a comment. I try to read and respond to as many as I can, and other viewers often pitch in too. We're all here to help each other out. Also, I post new videos regularly covering Windows fixes, PC optimization tips, software tutorials, and tech troubleshooting, so if that's something you're into, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. You can also check the video description for links to related tutorials, tools mentioned in the video, and my full playlist on Windows 10 troubleshooting. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end. I really appreciate your time and support. Stay safe, stay tech savvy, and I'll see you in the next one.